Morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today we'll talk about the dialogue writing. I have already discussed you about the dialogue writing. It's a conversation between the two people. Let us see what it is all about. Yes, it's a conversation, and it's something which has been said aloud. And when you write the dialogue, you are stating a person's exact word. मतलब वो इंसान क्या बोल रहा है, वो person क्या बात कर रहा है, that is what you write in the dialogue writing. Okay, this is called a picture dialogue writing. When the pictures are there, you can write anything. Okay, here one example I've given. You can write anything, like for example, hello, how are you? The other is saying, I'm fine, how are you? Similarly, like that, any other dialogue you can write. Okay, then you can ask that, can I have a pen please? The other one is saying, yes, you can have it. This is what the picture dialogue says. You can add anything. Here it is. See, the mother is asking, Hannah, Raki, what did you do in the school today? Then she's saying, I played with my friends. I played with my friends. Then she's saying, what did you play? So hide and seek. So Raki, who did you play with? She said, Amar and Malini. Then Mama is saying, are you hungry? Now she's saying yes. Now because she's tired after coming back from school. So this is how the picture dialogue speaks to each other. Okay. We can write anything, whatever you feel like. Okay. So remember, whenever you start with the new sentence, you start with the caps better every time. Now, if the two people are talking, so you see to it that the balanced mixed action and talking should be given, and equal say should be given. Equal say का मतलब है जैसे एक डायलॉग एक बोल रहा है तो दूसरा डायलॉग दूसरा, अगेन फर्स्ट वाला पर्सन एक डायलॉग बोल रहा है, बराबर बराबर आपको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है डायलॉग बिटवीन द टू पीपल. Okay, like for example, here they have given the student say that, may I come in? Teacher says yes, but why are you late? He says that no, because of bus I am late. The teacher says, but at what time you leave the home? At what time you take the breakfast? The teacher says that you try to get up early in the morning, you go for the walk, and so that you next time you are not late. And that then the student says, okay teacher, next time I will remember, I'll get up and I'll come to school on time. So this is the conversation between the student and the teacher. Okay, now let's begin with the dialogue which is given in the worksheet beta. Here is the conversation. You have to write a conversation between the two people, conversation between the two student, and they are discussing about importance of being kind to animals, कि हमको animal के साथ में अच्छे से behave करना चाहिए. So here me means you and your friend. So here आप लिख सकते हो, like for example here it is me लिखा है. So here next line you can write friend, or if you want you can write any name. If you want you can write name, for example you can write me Raj. Okay, now you are saying, now for example you start off, Raj, please do not throw stones on the animal. Now see, first of all let me tell you the meaning of the stray animals. Okay, see the here stray it is written that your friend is pelting stone at stray animals, and you are stopping your friend not to throw. You're telling your friend not to throw. You're telling about the kindness of animal. Okay, so stray means the animal which keeps roaming here and there. They are called as stray animals. They don't have homes, they don't have masters. Okay, सिर्फ घूमते रहते हैं बाहर. So they are called as stray animals. So what happened, you and your Raj is there on the road, and then you saw Raj throwing the stone. So now you are saying, now dialogue is starting now. अभी dialogue चालू हो रहा है. Please listen carefully. Me, Raj, please don't throw the stone on that dog. So Raj is saying, so what? That dog was coming near me, so I threw the stone. So then you are saying, see, if you throw the stone, the dog will not run away. The dog will again come back to you and will start barking on you. Then you are saying, Chichi, the dog is so dirty, the dog is so dirty, that is why I'm throwing the stone. Then you will say, see, we should not throw stones on the animals. They cannot speak. We should be kind to them. The dog did not do anything to you. Then why are you throwing stones on dog? Then the Raj is saying, I don't like dogs. Then you will say, see, it's okay, you don't like dog, but if somebody throws stones on you, then you will get hurt. See, even the dogs have the feelings, है ना? So even if they will get hurt. है ना. So if somebody throws stones on you, won't you be hurted? Won't you feel bad about it? Same is the situation with the dog. So like this we can write better, or some other way you can write, whichever way you want. Now I think now you should start writing the dialogue now. You should know how to write, because if you're going to have the final exam, you'll have a creative writing, then how you will write. So please practice the creative writing better. Okay, okay. So like this you can write anything. At the end you can write how you're going to end up when you are saying that you should not throw stones on the dog. You can make it very simple, no need to make a long sentence. Don't throw stones on the dog. We should be kind to the animals. Then Raj is saying, okay, and from next time I will not throw the stone. And that is how you have to end up, that your friends agree to it. Okay. Now see, there are small three more examples are there. Let us begin. Now here is a mother and a child. Here is a mother and a child. Okay, mother and a child, and the child is asking Mama, take out your worksheet and see better. Raju is saying that, is there any burger in the fridge? So mother is saying no. Hana, there is no burger in the fridge, beta. So then the Raju is saying, okay, Mama, fine. Can you give me a glass of milk? है ना. So this is how you can write beta. The second one now. Now it is very hot. Okay, and they are just near the juice stall. Okay, it is a juice center. So the Sham is saying, so yeah, we are feeling it's so hot. So let's have a glass of lemon juice. So Rahul says, oh yes, it's very healthy. Let's have a lemon juice. You know, like this. Now, okay. Now there's one more dialogue writing between the two students. Acha, you cannot see what is they are having on the table. Now it is. Okay. See, one is having a milk, other is having, you see your worksheet, other is having a juice, he is having a fruits, sandwich, है ना? And one is having banana. So you can write a dialogue when how you people talk with each other when there is a short break and long break. And it's a lunch break. She is saying, uh, let's have food together. है ना? Let's have food together. See, it's a quite long dialogue, so I won't be able to. I'll just tell you how to write. She is saying that, let's have the food. Hello, then what have you brought? They're talking about the boy is saying, see, I have brought healthy food. See, my mama has given the fruit and the sandwich and juice. And then she say, yes, even I like fruits. I have brought banana and mama has given the milk. Milk makes our bones strong. देखो ये आपस में बात कर रहे हैं friends. They're talking about the healthy foods. That way also you can write. Because according to they are having sandwiches, they are having fruits, juice and milk. All is good for health. है ना? So that way you can write the dialogue between the two students. Okay, please try to write. Listen to this video again and again, then you will be able to write. Okay, so thank you. God bless you, beta. I want you to complete the worksheet. I'll be asking you in the live class. We are going to have the live class now. So I'm going to ask you, and you have to show me this worksheet. Okay, thank you.